Hi, welcome to the Scholastic Literacy Pro onboarding video for teachers. In this video, you will learn about Literacy Pro, its benefits to you and your students, steps to log in, and its amazing key features. Literacy Pro is a research-based blended literacy program supporting your school's literacy goals. The program is individualized to encourage you to read books that are matched to your reading ability, allowing you to gain valuable reading practice and build comprehension skills. Literacy Pro is powered by Lexile, a reading metric system. It starts by identifying a student's reading level in Lexile. Students might be the same age but have very different reading levels. It can vary just as much as their shoe sizes. Literacy Pro accurately determines your reading level with a Lexile assessment called Lit Pro test. The higher the Lexile measure, the higher your level in reading comprehension. Books can also be measured on the Lexile scale. After the Lit Pro test, Literacy Pro generates a list of personalized book titles that reflects your reading level and interests. Research shows that when students read at their targeted level, their literacy skills improve. After reading a book, take the book quiz to check your comprehension. As your comprehension increases, your Lexile score improves, and you can read even more challenging books. To use Scholastic Literacy Pro, log in via Scholastic Learning Zone or SLZ. Key in your username and password. Next, under My Zone, tap on the Literacy Pro icon to proceed. Scholastic Literacy Pro offers an interactive program onboarding for all users. Tap the green question mark icon at the top right to activate it. The product tour introduces you to the program and guides you to understand the functionality of the program. The What Would You Like to Do Today prompts you to decide which activity you would like to focus within the program. Scholastic Literacy Pro offers amazing features to teachers. After your students have taken the Lit Pro test, your homepage shows you a quick overview of your students' key reading performance data for the classes you teach in the current school year. For example, the average Lexile, Lexile growth, reading proficiency, and more. Here's the alert report. With a single click, this report helps you to identify and address reading behavior outside of the expected norm. The reports page shows you a variety of detailed real-time data that helps you to monitor and track your students' reading progress over time. First, use the filter on the left to search for a class or student to view the reports. Next, choose a report and select a school calendar to view the report. The search page shows you a list of book titles with Lexile levels and synopsis. You can read the book and view the book quiz, which helps your students to check comprehension of the book they have read. You can use this page to guide your students, especially the young ones, to look for book titles targeted at their Lexile levels. Use the filter on the left to refine your search. Literacy Pro is correlated to the Global English Language Learners Benchmark, ideal for students who learn English as a second or foreign language. The Lit Pro Comprehension Skills Test assesses your students' proficiency and progress in critical reading comprehension skills. You can assign the test to your students at the start, middle, and end of the year. Each test assesses your students on these 10 critical reading comprehension skills. The types of questions in each test include multiple choice, match lists, true or false, drag and drop, classification, and fill in the blanks. You can use the test to determine how best you can help your students to advance towards reading success. To assign the test to your students, click here. Next, select a test that suits your students' reading level. Then, click the Assign button and answer the questions. And click Assign to proceed. To view the student's progress, click on Reports. The reports show you a quick overview of your class average score and your students' scores in the 10 critical reading comprehension skills in every test they have taken. The data in the reports will help you to identify students who need support and those who need challenge to improve. To view a student's progress, simply click on his name. Scholastic Literacy Pro will benefit you and your students tremendously. Literacy Pro identifies students' reading ability in Lexile levels and matches them to the right books which they can read and understand. The program generates a list of personalized book titles with quizzes for students. The benchmark in Literacy Pro helps teachers to set reading performance targets and to group students into 4 types of readers, that is, below basic, basic, proficient, and advanced. The Lit Pro Comprehension Skills Test helps teachers to assess students' proficiency and progress in critical comprehension skills. Literacy Pro also provides actionable reports to help teachers to monitor students' reading growth and make informed instructional decisions. In short, Literacy Pro empowers you to assess, inform, and develop your students' reading so that they will be able to achieve both reading and learning success. Interested to know more about Scholastic Literacy Pro? Contact Scholastic Asia Customer Support today.